Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how I made these amazing details, metal details for my shield here. As you can see, this is a shield, and how you can do it too. So the first thing we need to do is go to tool here and click this icon and bring this here, and we need to open UV map, texture map, and displacement map. So if you want to open these three together, just hold Ctrl Shift, click on UV, texture, and displacement. And let me bring everything to default so you can see everything from scratch. So texture on, and here you have a 0. Okay, so when you want to do it by yourself, you have one repeat and no texture and no displacement. Okay, so why you need to use these alphas? Because a lot of smart materials in Substance Painter, they don't have a micro details on the surface. So you can add this to your work in any 3D software. You can add this to these alphas in Blender, Maya, 3ds Max, any 3D software that you want to use. So I will show this seamless alphas here in Zbrush, so you can see everything in Zbrush, and you can try it in Blender or anything stuff. So the first thing we need to do is to tile our texture 4 times or 3 times. Click on texture on, and here you can bring your alphas. I just bring 28 and nothing happened. Okay, so the next thing you need to change is go to intensity, and here you can change the intensity to maybe 1, and here as you can see you have lots of details. Okay, so yeah, that's all you need to do. You have a lot of different alphas here. I will put a link in the description down below so you can go and download these alphas. And yeah, as you can see, it's just crazy how much detail these alphas have when you tile them. Okay, so this is seamless. You can tile these alphas any number you want. Like maybe I just wanna go crazy, like 20. As you can see, it's just crazy, guys. It's super detailed alphas, so it's just crazy. You can just bring this to Maya, Blender, and add this displacement map or bump map, or anything you export to your work, and you will have a more realistic result. And let me try 4 again. And 4 is a very nice number, or you can try 3. I don't know, it's your choice. You can try different alphas. We have a lot of different alphas here, so I just go randomly and you can see the result here. It's just crazy, guys. Alright guys, so the displacement tab, UV tab, texture tab, this was for testing the seamless and tileable effect. And now you can go, if you want to apply this into your surface, you can go to surface here, noise, and this is a default noise. You can click here, alpha, select 23. You can change mix basic noise. You don't want a ZBrush noise, put it to 0. And here you can just play with a strain. This is the intensity. You can change it like to 2, oops, or maybe 3. Okay, and you can change alpha scale to 0.5. That's it. You can add the bigger numbers, go bigger details like this, but 0.5 is fine, I think. And yeah, you can add more noise to this if you want to. If you want more details, even more, you can play with this noise here and add maybe like 25, 0.25, and here we will have more noise, a smaller noise, as you can see. And this noise, this little noise, will make your work more realistic with a better result. Okay, as you can see in the graph. Okay, so that's it, and you can press OK, and there you have it. It's just super detailed metal alphas. Yeah, it's just crazy, guys. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and hope these alphas will help you to give more detail to your work and make your work easier and faster. So please like and subscribe. Thank you all for your supports, for your likes, everything you guys do. We had over 4,000 customers, and I'm so glad that you guys like these tools, and we will make more tools for you guys. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day. See you in the next tutorial.